Friends, let us summarize this topic, that is choice of AP, choice of numbers in an AP under these three categories. Like if an AP contains three numbers, then we can make a choice by taking the numbers in the sequence A minus D, A and A plus D. Similarly, if the AP contains four numbers, then we can make the choice of the numbers into that AP as in the sequence given A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D. Similarly, if an AP consists of, if that AP consists of five numbers, then the same number choice can be made as A minus 2D, A minus D, again A in the central atom as a central atom, then we will be having A plus D and A plus D. But keeping into consideration that always remember the first term is supposed to be A. It can be taken as in the form of any variable, but remember that this first term is supposed to be known to us. And then the second requisition is common difference should be equal to D. If these two things are known to us, or in a way we can somehow or the other manage to get these two terms, then we would be very easily obtaining these numbers in sequence, and hence we would be able to find out the exact values of the numbers that are being asked into the. Friends, let us see an example where we will be making the choice of the numbers in an AP. Suppose we have been given with a question like four numbers are given in AP and the sum of these numbers is equal to 20, and in addition to this we have been given another situation where the sum of the squares of these numbers is equal to 122. Now the question is, we have to find the numbers. We have to find the numbers which are in AP. So first is the making the choice of, first step is to make the choice of the numbers in AP. In order to make the choice of the numbers, I have been taking as A minus 3D, A minus D, A plus D and A plus 3D as the four numbers which are in AP. Now, moving ahead with the question, according to the question it says that sum of all these numbers will be equal to 20. Then, on solving this value, the first equation, if we solve the first equation, then we will get the value of A from here, and the value of A is represented as 5. Now, taking into consideration the second situation of the question where it says that sum of the squares of the number that is equal to 120. Now we need to square each number which are in AP, like A plus 3D raised to the power 2, A minus 3D raised to the power 2, A plus D raised to the power 2, and again the last one A plus 3D raised to the power 2. This will give you the resultant value equal to 120. And on solving, we will get the first equation. The first part of the equation will be like 4 taken as common and A square plus 5D square will be equal to 120. Now I am dividing this 120 by 4, which is taken as common. We will get value as equal to A square plus 5D square is equal to 30. Now moving ahead, putting A into 5, A is equal to 5, which we have already obtained. As I told you dear friends, that it is impossible to calculate or find out the numbers in sequence unless and until we are having both the values A as well as D. So let us see. If we have already calculated the value of 5, A is equal to 5. Now moving ahead, putting this value of A of equal to 5 in the in the equation that we have obtained. Now we will be reaching to a value that is 5 square plus 5D square is equal to 30, and on solving this equation from left to right, we will be reaching to the equation where we are getting the value of D equal to plus minus 1. Now why we have been given as plus minus 1? Because whenever we take the value of, whenever we take the under root of any equation, any value, then we are supposed to consider both the symbols, that is plus, positive as well as the negative. Remember the linear equation in the quadratic equation where we have talked in detail about the roots and square roots. See, now since we are having both the values A and D, therefore the numbers would be, now since we are having two different values for difference, common difference, that is plus 1 and minus 1, there are two probabilities of having of the existence of this same AP. So let us take the first case where A is equal to 5 and D is equal to plus 1 or just 1. Then in the first case we will be having 5. A is equal to, putting the values, A minus 3D. We will get 5 minus 3, that is equal to 2. Again A minus D, that is equal to 5 minus 1, that will be equal to 4. A plus D, that is equal to 5 plus 1, 6. And then A plus 3D, that will be equal to 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So the number that we have been obtained here is equal to 2, 4, 6 and 8. Hence this is the required sequence of number that we were looking for. Similarly, if we take the second case, let us take the second case, and here it becomes minus 1. Sequentially the values will change. Okay, the values will be changed accordingly. See, here we are having A minus 3D. Again, A minus 3D means A minus of 3, that will become A plus 3, which becomes 8. Again, A minus D, A minus of minus 1 becomes A plus 1, that is equal to 6. Then again A plus D, A plus D means A plus of minus 1, it will be minus 1, it will be 4. And then once again A plus 3D means A minus of plus of minus 3, that is minus 3, which will be equal to 2. So the sequence of number will be like this. The first value will be 8, 6, 4 and 2. So these are the two consecutive probabilities of the existence of the AP for this given question. Friends, hope